Bathing your newborn baby can be one of the scariest tasks for new parents. The water feels slippery, the baby is tiny, and you worry about making mistakes. Don't worry, in this video, I will tell you how exactly you can give bath to your newborn baby step by step. How often you should do it, and the most common mistake parents make. By the end, you will feel confident giving your baby a safe and soothing bath. Before we start, remember your baby doesn't need a daily bath. In fact, for newborn, bathing 2 to 3 times a week is enough. Too much bathing can dry out their delicate skin. For the rest of the day, simple sponge cleaning of the face, neck, and diaper area is perfectly fine. Now let's move step by step. First, prepare everything you will need before starting the bath. This is very important because you can't leave your baby alone in the water even for a second. Number one, you need is warm room to prevent your baby from getting cold. Number two is a small baby bathtub or a clean basin. Number three is lukewarm water. Test with your elbow or wrist. Number 4 is mild baby soap or body wash. For baby soap and body wash, I recommend you Johnson baby soaps and body wash. As a mother and a doctor, I'm recommending you. They have multiple types and you can choose according to your baby skin type. The other things you need are soft baby towel, a soft washcloth, fresh diaper, and a clean cloth. And make sure the water is just warm, not hot. Your baby's skin is very sensitive. Gently undress your baby, keeping them wrapped in a towel. Always support the head and neck with one hand. Never rush. Keep your movement calm and slow so the baby feels safe. Cleaning the face first. Always start the face before placing the baby in the water. Use a soft washcloth with plain water only. No soap on the face. Wipe gently around the eyes, nose, and ears. Bathing the body. Now place your baby slowly in the tub, keeping one hand behind their neck and shoulders. Use your other hand to pour water gently over the body. Wash the hair and scalp with a tiny drop of baby shampoo if needed. And in baby shampoo, again I recommend the Johnson baby shampoo. As a mother, I use this one and it was perfectly good for my babies. And definitely I recommend you all also. The other thing, you have to wash arms, chest, tummy and legs using gentle strokes. Clean the diaper area last to avoid spreading bacteria. The whole bath should take about 5 minutes. Remember, babies get cold quickly, so keep it short. Let's come to the step drying and dressing. Lift your baby out of the tub with secure support. Wrap them immediately in a soft towel and gently pat dry. Don't rub hard, just dab. Pay attention to the skin folds, neck, armpits, and diaper area. After drying, apply a mild baby moisturizer or oil if your doctor recommends. Finally, put on a fresh diaper and cloths. Now let's talk about the biggest mistakes new parents make during the baby bath time. Number 1, bathing too often. Bathing too often dried out the skin. 2 to 3 times per week is enough. Number 2, using hot water. Using hot water can burn delicate skin. Always check temperature with the help of elbow and wrist. Number 3, leaving baby alone even for a moment. Never do this, please. Number 4, using too much soap or shampoo. It irritates the skin, so use very small soap or shampoo is enough. Number 5, bathing right after feeding. Wait at least 30 minutes to avoid spit up. Number 6, not preparing everything in advance. Parents panic when they forget a towel or a diaper. Always set up before starting. Avoid these mistakes, and bath time will be the safe and enjoyable for baby. So now you know exactly how to bath your newborn safely, how often to do, and which mistakes to avoid. Remember, bath time is not just about cleaning. It's also a chance to bond with your baby through gentle touch and calm interaction. Take your time, stay confident, and enjoy these special moments with your little one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more baby care and child health tips. Let me know in comments what was your biggest fear during your baby's first bath.